Alright guys, hello everybody, welcome back to Fun with Jannah. Today we have a very special surprise for you guys. That's right, we have a telescope. We will be unboxing and reviewing for you guys today. The telescope came from Amazon and it's made by ScienToy. ScienToy, experience the universe. So we're going to go ahead and open up this box and see what it has in store for us. Jannah, are you ready to get started?
Yeah!
All right, guys, let's get started.
My heart is... My heart... My heart is yours. You want to have fun with me? Then press the button.
So Jannah is just super excited to open up this telescope.
I think it's not a telescope.
I think it is a telescope. Whoa, let's see what it has in the box. Let me see. Face it this way, Jannah. Let's see what's all in there. Okay, so here we have the telescope. We have the tripod. Jannah's pulling out the telescope now. And then it comes with two other scopes. We have a 30 times and a 40 times magnification. All right. So let's put this thing together, guys. We'll be right back. So we got it all figured out. So we put the telescope onto the tripod. And it comes already installed with the 20 times magnification lens. So that's already on there. And so let's see. It comes with the telescope tube, lens covers, 3 eyepieces, eyepiece covers, and a diagonal mirror, and then of course the tripod there. And this is what the box looks like. And it says that you can see the universe, guys. So we are excited to see. We'll be able to see all of what it says we could see. I don't know about that, guys. I don't know. I'm a little skeptical. But it looks pretty cool. It's super light. It doesn't have much weight to it at all, guys. It's very light. It comes in this really pretty blue color. Jannah thinks it's a microphone, but it's actually a telescope. Jannah, you're gonna break it. But yeah, guys, it's super light. So it's really cute. So I wonder if it's gonna really show us something in the sky, at least the stars, right? So, Jannah, you want to go ahead and take this on outside and see if we can see some stars? Maybe we can see a planet or two?
Yeah, but there's no planets on there.
Well, I mean, it says that we'll be able to see a planet.
Well, there's no planets.
We'll see. What's your favorite planet, Jannah?
And Mars.
You love Mars?
Yeah.
What do you like about Mars?
Jupiter.
And you like Jupiter?
No, I don't like Jupiter.
All right, guys.
Here are some fun facts about our solar system. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system with temperatures averaging around 875 degrees Fahrenheit, 450 degrees Celsius. Venus, however, is not the closest planet to the sun. Do you know which planet is the closest to the sun? That's right, you guessed it, planet Mercury. Mercury does not have an atmosphere to regulate its temperature. Therefore, it has a large temperature fluctuation. Olympus Mons, Latin for Mount Olympus, is a very large-scale volcano on the planet Mars. This volcano has a height of over 72,000 feet and is almost 3 times Mount Everest's height above sea level. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is so big that all of the other planets in the solar system could fit inside of it. More than 1,300 Earths would fit inside Jupiter. Wow, that's huge. There are 5 planets visible without a telescope from Earth. That's Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Saturn is the farthest planet seen from Earth without a telescope.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. I need my microphone.
My heart is